a shirt on.
Same.
She's got it. By the way. Boom. Here we go. Woo! Good morning, guys.
Good morning from Bali.
We're in Bali, Indonesia. We have been traveling for 6 months, and currently we're looking to travel for 2 years as we look for a new home. Let's start off with who we are.
Well, we're Ruthie and Hammer, and we're Americans, and we want to move to a new country, but we decided we'd travel for a couple years in order to find a new country.
Yeah. Right now we're in Bali. We've been posting videos in order. The videos that we're on right now is Turkey, and then after that we have our whole Asia series before we get on over to Bali. But we've been having a great time here in Bali and staying here for a full month. And being that we've got some incredible deals and it's incredibly affordable to stay here, we figured we'd make a video today to show you guys a little bit about what it's like living in Bali and how much daily costs are.
How much do we spend in a day in Bali?
Before we get things started for today, what I want to tell you guys is that for a room, for accommodation, it's usually around anywhere between $16 to $22. That's the most that we paid is $22 a night. And we've stayed in Ubud. Right now we're staying in Canggu, and we've also stayed in Nusa Penida. So it's incredibly affordable, and we always have rooms to ourselves. Usually the place also has a pool. This place in Canggu does not, but that's also because we're staying right next to the beach. So it works itself out.
Private room, private bathroom, pool. Usually less than $20 a night.
Yeah, it's the move. Let's get things started and show you guys how much a day here costs in Bali.
Here we are paying $16 a night.
All right, let's go.
So I'm gonna do this little apartment tour, and the first thing I'm gonna do is turn off these lights because they're flickering. Good, okay. So this apartment comes with a couple of closets. This one's mine, so I can hang my dresses and stuff. And then Hammer has all of these. And that's also where we keep our electronics in our safety deposit box.
She's allergic to safety deposit. Oh my God.
We also have a balcony out here. Oh man, I should just set this on auto so I don't have to adjust this for you guys. But, oh.
It's locked.
It's locked. Anyway, we have 2
reason.
chairs. Yeah, for good reason. We have chairs out here and a little desk if we want to eat, but we haven't used that yet. We've only been here a couple days, so maybe tomorrow.
Like Ruthie said, this is $16 a night. Let's go get some breakfast and show you guys how much that costs. I think we're gonna go to the supermarket today just to show you guys some variety eating out versus eating in supermarkets. Let's go.
Here's the bed, here's the TV. We also have this. They gave us a mango when we first came in. That was really nice.
Ruthie loves this apartment.
And here's the bathroom. There's the toilet, the shower, towels, sink. It's got everything we need.
Apartment tour, let's go.
By the way, you drive on the left side in Bali.
The most classic thing you'll see here in Bali is traffic.
Alright, we just got to Pizza Market. That's our bike, by the way. It costs $50,000 for 1 day to rent it. And now we're at the supermarket.
Breakfast is cheaper at the supermarket than it is going out, obviously. So we'll show you guys what that's like, and then we'll eat out later today to show you how cheap that is too.
We're at Pepito Market. Let's go.
We should get bananas.
Oh yeah, definitely bananas.
Bananas. This will be good for 2 days, or for now, and then 2 for later. So
Let's get it.
not too bad. And then we have to weigh them. But I don't know where.
I don't know if we...
Thank you. Cool. 19,000. Okay, cream cheese sandwiches. These are amazing, and we've had them the last 2 days, and they're 16,000. 1, 2.
This one I put a hole in it by accident, but you can still fit a croissant in there.
Oh, which one should I pick? This
That one,
yeah.
Boom.
Perfect. And the best thing about this place is that you can get a cafe latte for $10,000, which is super cheap, because if you do it in a regular spot, like going out to eat, you're gonna pay a minimum of $25.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still a lot.
Cool. Boom. 2 coffees, 10,000 each. Pretty good deal.
Yeah.
They put these by the cash register so they get people like Ruthie.
Because that looks really good. And we were thinking of getting dessert yesterday and we didn't because we wanted to save money, but
We
for
will today.
$25,000 we can get a strawberry tart and it looks amazing.
We'll definitely get some today.
Maybe. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. Thank you. The best part is they have this little seating area for customers right outside. And so you can just sit down right here and enjoy a quick breakfast before heading on over to the beach.
Who's that?
That's my girl.
Let's go. Let's eat. Yo, if anyone knows how to make croissants, hit us up with that recipe because this is so good. I don't know, the buttery flakiness is just so delicious.
I think the top 3 greatest inventions of all time are croissants, almond croissants. It's
And
really
cheese.
just those 2. And cheese. Cheese.
And coffee. I love coffee. Okay, breakfast is done.
We are
And-
ashamed of our waste.
Yeah, we're ashamed of our waste, so we fit it all in one cup.
We're actually trying to be more waste free. But at least we didn't have any plastic this morning. It was just paper, so we're getting there.
Yum.
And organic waste.
All right, so we just decided that Ruthie's going surfing today. So we're gonna head on over to the beach and see how much it is to get 2 surfboards, and hopefully Ruthie likes it and doesn't bail out after the first 30 minutes. It was tough for me. I did it yesterday. It was really, really, really hard. So we'll see how long we last.
I went to the beach in Canggu, and like this whole road that leads you to the beach is just lined with all these organic cafes and restaurants. They have wadangs. Wadangs are like a cheaper version of a restaurant. They usually have local Indonesian food, and they've got a ton of shopping from like local shops where they make like whatever kind of like little headbands and hats, all the way up to, you know, everything you see in the U.S. from like Billabong and Quicksilver, all the surf shops that are really popular all over the world. You can pretty much find anything you want here that's like beach worthy. Ooh, focus.
Yeah, appreciate it.
2,000. And that's parking.
All right, taking Ruthie's helmet off. Got it. Let's go get a surfboard.
Surfboard.
Yeah, so I wanted to get 2 for today. Yes. My man's over here wants to tell you guys, support local businesses.
Super local business. Don't you laughing, bro?
Wait, what's
Make
your
a
name?
video.
What's your name?
Agung.
Agun.
No,
my
Johnny
man.
Boy. You can call
Johnny
me.
Boy? I love your tattoos, my
Johnny
man.
Boy.
All right, Johnny Boy, support local businesses.
Don't you love me, yeah?
I love you.
Your girlfriend.
So we rented 2 surfboards for 2 hours for 100,000. And let me tell you something, surfing is really hard.
Surfing is hard, especially when you don't know what you're doing.
I'm so beat. So far it's been about an hour. I'm just getting beat up out there. I caught like 1 wave and then got beat up by literally every other one out there.
I spend more of my time under the water than I do above the water.
Yeah, I think next time we'll get lessons.
Yeah, I think so. I think it would be worth it. But also, I feel like I'm old and I'm okay if I don't know how to surf.
Yeah, I know how to snowboard. That's
Yeah,
enough,
yeah.
right?
We do mountain sports, so I'm okay if I don't know how to surf.
This beach is super cool, and the sunsets here are really, really awesome. I think we're gonna hang around here until sunset. We're also gonna get dinner around here in Canggu. So for now, we're gonna try to get after it and try a second round of surfing, and then just
Are
relax
we
on the
gonna
beach.
do a second round?
I don't know, I might.
All right,
We have
never
another
mind.
hour.
I think I'll read. Did we read the book?
Yeah, we did. Ruthie, can you explain to me this new style that you have right now? What is this?
So I burned my forehead a little bit yesterday. I don't want to do that again. That's why I'm doing this.
I thought you were putting on a turban.
It's just short enough though, where it's like I can't really tie it. I don't know. I gotta take classes from someone on how to do like stuff like this with my hair, but I think this will be good for now. What do you think?
I think sunscreen would work. It's right behind you.
No.
I feel a lot better right now. Second attempt at surfing. Not so good. Ruthie chilled. She read. Pretty tired. I think we're just gonna hang out here for the rest of the day until we catch sunset.
Part of that 86K that we spent this morning was for 2 extra bananas that we're eating as a snack now.
The sunsets here are incredible. And since we've been here for like the past 5 hours, we're really hungry and I think we're gonna go to dinner. So cue the sunset from last night so you guys can see what it's like. We're gonna go to dinner.
Made it to our favorite dinner spot. It's kind of like a farm to table type place where you pick out like a couple mains, sides, and whatnot. Not bad prices.
Can I do the wine?
So we got 2 veggie meals and 2 drinks, which are coming, and it was 79,000 total. The best part about Bali is that it's cheaper to eat healthy. And this is a vegetarian meal, whereas in America, it's actually more expensive to eat vegetarian or healthier. Here, so much noise. Here, it's way cheaper to eat healthier. So we've been trying to keep vegetarian for the past month, especially because we've been eating so much meat since we started traveling. Just because it's a cheaper option. It's not as cheap to eat healthier in other countries. Whereas here in Southeast Asia, it's so much cheaper and it just tastes so much better.
And it's better for the environment.
All right, we're gonna eat. See y'all later. How's it taste?
It's good.
Some pineapple juice and some sugar. You got OJ and sugar.
Beverages in Bali tend to cost about the same as a meal. These are a little bit cheaper because I think this was like 12 and 15 or something. But especially if you're gonna get alcoholic beverages, which we haven't done in Bali, they're sometimes 2 to 3 times as much as your food. So there's no real point in getting a lot of beverages. You might as well just eat a lot of food.
Except coffee. Coffee actually costs as much as a meal, which is crazy. This pineapple juice is delicious. That was delicious. Dessert time?
Dessert time!
Remember those cakes that we saw at the supermarket this morning?
We're gonna get them. Okay, we just counted it up and we have exactly enough for the blueberry cheesecake and the strawberry tart. So we're gonna get it to celebrate our anniversary because in case you guys didn't know, we are celebrating 2
anniversary.
full years together. Now we're driving home. Happy anniversary, Heather!
Happy anniversary. We're driving home now. We'll see you guys there. Let's go eat some cake.
Let them eat cake.
We just made it home. We're about to enjoy our amazing anniversary desserts because we haven't had dessert like that in a very long time. So I'm really excited. But what we didn't realize, cheesecake is the best. What we didn't realize is that we covered a lot of costs for today, but there are other costs that we have in our time here in Bali, and I think it would be helpful to you guys because you guys are obviously tuning into this video to see how much Bali costs in general. So let's kick things off with gas.
Gas usually costs us $20,000 to fill up. which
From
is
empty.
From empty. So for the whole scooter, and that lasts us, depending on how far we drive, it'll usually last us at least 2 or 3 days. So 20,000 every 2 or 3 days.
It's really, really, really cheap here for gas. And best thing about gas is that if you are not near a gas station, literally everywhere sells gas. Like even just people on the corners, they will have gas. So if you're in a pickle, don't worry, they got you covered here.
I'm in a pickle, I need some gas. I never need gas.
And then she only releases gas. And then in terms of entrance to waterfalls, like one of the biggest things that you can do here in Bali is go to the waterfalls. With the waterfalls, the entrance can range. Sometimes it's just a donation, sometimes it's an actual entrance fee, like for maintenance and for parking. Anywhere between 10,000 to 15,000 is what you will typically pay. I don't think we paid any more than 15,000 for one.
Yeah. I've heard that there's others that charge up to 20,000, so I don't know, those are the more popular ones, but we didn't pay that much.
And then rice terraces, if you want to go check out some rice terraces, there is one in particular that costs 40,000, and I think that's the most expensive one here. A lot of the other ones cost less. Some are free just to see from certain vantage points, but if you want to go like actually in them, it's a little bit more expensive.
They also have mountain climbs where you could do a sunrise climb on Mount Batur, I think it is, and those are like more expensive day tours. So any of these day trips that'll take you to multiple beaches and transportation and lunch included, all that costs a lot more. We don't do any of that, so our daily expenses never include stuff like that.
Yeah. The last thing for Bali is a massage. Ruthie actually got a massage here. It was a 2-hour-long massage, and how much was it?
218 with all like service and tax and everything included. So
yeah,
that's that's maybe $15 for 1 hour massage and a body scrub and a flower bath, which was really awesome.
So in total is 2 hours. Not so bad. That's our cost for Bali. There's a lot more obviously here, and there's a lot more that we could cover. If you're thinking about the islands like Nusa Penida, Gili, or Lombok, the prices there are completely different. They are similar to Bali, but a little bit different depending on the excursions that you guys do. We'll have videos out for Nusa Penida as well. But hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope this helps you out, and hope the tips are nice and you guys come to Bali.
Excelente! Bali is cheap. So that's my seat. We just did that the first time.
Oh my God, to just sit on my lap. No, we're not doing that.
Anniversary, I get to sit on his lap.
Look at this, blueberry cheesecake and strawberry.
Thank you. This is like, okay, just the other day I was like, I miss ShopRite, but this is great. Oh, look at this.
How do I open this?
Pepito's Market is so fabulous in Bali.
Oh, if I know how to open this would be
I believe in you, hon.
Come on.
I got you, babe.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
Why is this so hard to open? Why? I don't want to ruin the cheese. Ooh.
Oh.
Got him.
Beautiful.
I'm just gonna eat this.